Whatever I heard, that's not a budget.
Okay.
Because budget requires facts and figures. This was an ideal budget in the same, it only had ideas. Like you have the commercial of telephone company, what an idea, sir.
Right.
And the other commercial is no ullu banai.
Right. But there was a lot of emphasis on capacity expansion, freight corridors, 2 freight corridors. So in that sense, do you think some big picture ideas were mentioned in this budget?
I said it's not a budget, it was an idea.
Okay. So what according to you was
Budget?
amiss in the budget? What do you think should have been mentioned that Suresh Prabhu did not talk about?
But when you talk about budget, you talk about facts and figures.
Right.
You talk about how much money you are going to get from where and how.
Right.
There was no mention of nothing.
Right.
So we'll have to see the annexure and find out what are the details. At the moment, I personally feel there was no budget. It was just an idea. It was selling a dream. It's a very good idea
Right.
to sell a dream. But when you wake up, the dream itself goes haywire.
So do you think the railways is in a position to fund the capacity expansion, and also how will it keep its finances in order?
Railway internal generation, as per the railway minister, is only 17.8%
Right.
of the total.
Right.
And that's not enough.
Right.
And the budgeted is supposed is 46.9% or 41%. So you are leaving a gap of almost about 50%.
Right.
Where is this 50% going to come? That I have to read the document and find out.
One last question: do you think there was a case for a reduction in the rails?
With the
given crude oil prices?
commodity prices reducing,
Right.
there was a big case of reduction of freight. If you had reduced the freight, your total revenue generation would have been much more.
Much more.
And you have lost that big opportunity. Most of the rates are going to go to the road
Right.
because there is a reduction in the road transportation.
Right.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.